Hi friends, today I'm going to show you something new, which are my glass paintings I have done by myself. Come on, let us see. A beautiful lady wearing a pink sari and a blue blouse with a water pot sitting under a tree gazing the moon. This is Krishna picture with the butter in the pot and butter in the hand. He is so cute sitting nicely, and this picture took me 3 months to complete. This is a pot with multicolored flowers. This looks like a glass painting, but this is not the glass I have done. This is the polythene sheet. On that I have done the glass painting. This is 3 flowers in a flower vase. This one is not done by me. This is the bought one to decorate the home. My indoor plant with Om near the puja room. This is my puja room. I just decorated with plastic flowers and some designer hanging. This is my flower vase on my dining table, and let me show you my big picture. This is my big glass painting I have done. This is the mirror. Hi. So these are my glass paintings which I have showed you, and the home decoration I have shown you with my own ideas. Hope you people do it at your homes, decorate your homes, and if you people like my video, please do share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget, and be tuned with my new videos. Ta-ta, bye-bye.